how to follow topics on Quora. Is your Quora feed filled with things that you don't care about? You can fix that by curating your interests. This guide will show you how to find and follow specific topics on Quora to ensure your feed is always packed with the information that you actually want. Tap the search icon at the top of the app and type in a subject that you're curious about. When the results appear, look for the topic category. Tap on the topic to view its page and then hit the blue follow button. By following a topic, you're telling Quora to put the most popular and relevant questions from that category directly into your home feed every single day. To see everything that you currently follow, go to your profile and tap on the following. If a topic is no longer interesting to you, simply tap the following button next to it to unfollow. This keeps your feed clean and focused. Your feed, your rules. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on personalizing your Quora experience.